Hello folks, Google's first smartwatch is yet to be fully detailed even if the company confirmed it's coming this fall alongside the Pixel 7 series. We still don't know much about the device, but the latest leak claims to reveal its pricing. Since the Pixel Watch is the company's debut wearable, no one is expecting it to be a groundbreaking product, but one thing most consumers are probably hoping for is an appropriate price. There is a lot of hype surrounding the Pixel Watch, largely cause it's coming from Wear OS creator Google, though Samsung also contributed greatly to the development of the revamped platform and is now reaping the benefits. It's now Google's time to enjoy the fruit of its labor, provided it at least nails the basics. Per leaks, the Pixel Watch has a nearly 1.18-inch screen and is pretty thick, and it apparently has a very premium feel to it. It also has a crown for navigation at the 3 o'clock position, and there is also a button above it. Although the watch will apparently be powered by an old Samsung processor, the performance likely won't disappoint, as there will also be a co-processor under the hood, and the watch will have more than 1.5 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, which is more than what is offered by the best Wear OS watches. The Pixel Watch is rumored to have a 300 mAh battery, which will last about a day, and is expected to have sensors for heart rate, blood oxygen and ECG. Other rumored specs include NFC, GPS and 50 meters of water resistance. 9to5Google today reports that the cellular version will retain for $400 in the US. The Bluetooth model will obviously be a little more affordable. For comparison, the Bluetooth-only Galaxy Watch 5 costs $280 and the LTE model goes for $330, whereas the Apple Watch Series 7 starts at $400 and its cellular version goes for $500. This means that the Pixel Watch will be more expensive than the Galaxy Watch 5 but cheaper than the Watch Series 7, though it's worth mentioning that Google's watch has stainless steel sides, whereas the Watch 5 has an aluminum frame and the stainless steel Watch Series 7 variant goes for $700. That's why the comparison is not straightforward, but in either case, the Pixel Watch is not competitively priced, and this may hamper its chances of becoming the best watch of 2022. If the report is correct, Google will have a hard time selling its watch with an outdated Exynos 9110 chipset and small 300 mAh battery. For reference, Samsung has been using the newer Exynos W920 chipset since last year's Galaxy Watch 4 series, and Galaxy Watch 5 has a bigger battery. However, the non-LTE variant might make more sense, but we don't have the pricing for this model, so we will have to wait until Google announces it officially, supposedly next month. The Pixel Watch will likely go on sale at the same time as the Pixel 7 Duo, which will apparently be released on October 13th. The Pixel Watch is also expected to have a Fitbit integration, and Google is also likely to release Google Pixel Watch Companion app. It may also support Google Fi and let you use LTE data without a phone number. Unlike other non-Samsung Wear OS watches, it will apparently let you create cloud backups. Guys, let me know your thoughts about the upcoming Pixel Watch in the comment section below. Also, share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, good luck everyone.